During the question hour on the third day of the Assembly session, member of the opposition, MIANI D SHIRA, raised the question as to why no projects have been sanctioned under PMGSY to West Garo Hills and South Garo Hills for the year 2019-2020. As a supplement to this, Dr. Mukul sangma directed a question at the Deputy Chief Minister as to what measures will be taken up by which the missing bridges would be included in the other phases of the PMGSY scheme.
In order to optimally realize the benefit of these assets created, may I know from the Honorable Deputy CM as to what are the measures being taken to include those missing bridges in the other phases of PMGSY?
To this, the Deputy Chief Minister, Prestone Tynsong, also in charge of PWD roads, while admitting to the missing links under the PMGSY projects, said that this matter had already been taken up and discussed with officers of the concerned department.
Yes, I think the issue raised by the Honorable Leader of Opposition is very, very genuine. Quite a number of cases happened in the entire state where the missing link happened under the coverage of the PMGSY, be it PMGSY 1, be it PMGSY 2. However, this time we are going to step into PMGSY 3. I have already asked the concerned officers